Welcome back to Patio Kits Direct. So today we're going to go over the 3 most popular patio cover colors. That doesn't mean that we don't have other colors, but what is the 3 most popular? And I'm going to start left to right because we're going to go with most popular down to the 3rd most popular. White. White being matches with everything, goes with everything. It just, you want to paint your house green, white's going to be the one that matches it, So all white, never can go wrong. Next in line, 2nd most popular is our Spanish brown desert sand. So for you homeowners that have like earth tone colors around your house, those beiges, a lot of customers like the 2-tone color, the ceiling being the lighter color and the darker color being the post beam and the border wrap. This kind of feels like what we do with the inside of our houses, where we paint the wall a little bit darker of a color, and then the ceiling, to make it feel taller in frame, goes with a lighter color. So that's our 2nd most popular. Our 3rd most popular is kind of more of the new age style of homes. And the color combination that we're going to talk to and refer to in this picture is an all white ceiling with a post beam and trim in the graphite gray. Lots of customers are moving towards this as they're updating the designs of their backyard. They're leaning more on this as a contemporary, sleek look. So again, we have other colors. We do have black. That just came out. That's also trending pretty high right now as far as the post and the beam and the border being the black color, and the ceiling white traditionally matches the most. Feel free to reach out, patiokitsdirect.com.